Philadelphia child, wild, mild, mind all filled with city, fresh city, foul city, fiery city, frigid city. Philadelphia child, mild, wild, wild flower, watered with child power, growing from cracks in cement sidewalks and schoolyards and playgrounds. Singular and lovely, common and ugly. Philadelphia child, piled high with visions of his story, rhythms of ghetto's glory. Richard Allen, 52-story buildings, Elfreth's Alley, Liberty Bell rings, sewer smells and belly swells. Class trips to Independence Hall evoke questions like, where do I fit in all of this? 4 ghetto girls and barrio boys taught lessons in the voice of the founding forefathers, but those same 4 still ain't found their fathers. Philadelphia child, at the mercy of the public school system, at the mercy of the existence of human allegiance and government finance. Dance with the element of chance, the chance to grow, the chance to fly, the chance to know, the chance to die, in body, in spirit, mind, or soul, the chance to be gold or fool, the chance to be gold or fool. Philadelphia child, Olympic hopeful, won gold medals in mattress flipping and subway sprinting, well versed in the yo lingo, pretzel and cheesesteak fed, Philly born and bred, tasty cake sweet or hard of head, tread and trample on, same ground Ben Franklin and the boys walked upon. Drill teams have replaced the not ready for integration declaration of interdependence players. White booted, Philly attituded, zooted up on Schuylkill Punch. They shout above drum and street stomp saying, we are here, we are here, we are here, we are here. We are, we live, we matter, we are, we live, we matter.